Today we dive into Crusoe AI, the company calling itself the AI Factory. They focus on providing the infrastructure to build AI faster, and this review will give you the full breakdown using only details from their website. We'll cover what they offer, their key features, and the good and the potentially challenging sides, all without any marketer fluff. First up, Crusoe Cloud and their Crusoe Managed Inference Service. The core idea is an AI cloud platform purpose-built to save you from infrastructure headaches, so you can focus on innovating. Their managed inference service aims to accelerate development using top open source and specialized models. They promise seamless scaling and breakthrough speed, thanks to their proprietary inference engine with something called memory alloy technology. Now let's talk about the Crusoe Cloud platform itself. It's engineered for peak performance, featuring high-performance NVIDIA and AMD compute, accelerated storage, and optimized networking. They make bold claims, stating you can deploy models up to 20 times faster and cut costs by up to 81%. For operations, they offer managed Kubernetes and Slurm, plus fault-tolerant Crusoe autoclusters to simplify management. On reliability, they advertise 99.98% uptime for AI workloads and back it with 24/7 enterprise support that they note maintains a 100% customer satisfaction score. They proudly showcase the latest GPU hardware, including NVIDIA's GB200 NVL72 and HGX B200, as well as AMD's MI35Ms and MI300X, all built for cutting-edge AI at scale. Crusoe Cloud's pricing is structured into main categories for compute and managed inference. For compute, they list specific on-demand and spot pricing per GPU hour for various high-performance NVIDIA models, with the latest GB200 and B200 requiring a sales contact. Other compute costs, including those for CPU instances, storage, and managed Kubernetes, are indicated as separate line items with their own pricing details. For their managed inference service, the pricing model offers two options: a flexible pay-as-you-go plan and a provision throughput plan, suggesting different billing methods based on usage patterns and commitment levels. For example, the NVIDIA H100 on an H2X instance is priced at $390 per GPU hour for on-demand use, while its spot rate is a much lower one. Similarly, the NVIDIA A100 80GB variant has an on-demand price of $1.85 and a spot price of $1.30 per GPU hour. Notably, pricing for their latest and most powerful hardware, like the NVIDIA GB200 and B200 models, is not listed publicly and requires contacting sales directly. The pricing section also indicates that further costs are detailed for other compute options like CPU instances, as well as for storage and managed services such as Kubernetes, and their managed inference, which has pay-as-you-go and provision throughput options. Good day everyone, and see you later.